Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to activate the followers option on Facebook so people can follow you even if they are not on your friend list. So let's get started. So first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Now tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner on Android or bottom right on iPhone. Now scroll down and find this option called Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Go to Settings. Scroll down until you see this section called Audience and Visibility and go to Followers and Public Content. This is where you control who can follow you. Now under Who Can Follow Me, set public instead of friends. There's no friends option here because I have turned on professional mode. This means anyone on Facebook can follow you and see your public posts without needing to send a friend request. If you want, you can also scroll down and choose who can see your followers on your timeline, who can see the people, pages and lists you follow, like public, friends or only me. And that's it. That's how to activate the followers option on Facebook. Now people can follow your posts, reels or updates even if they are not your friend. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and comment below if you have any Facebook related queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.